Hello everyone, welcome to VIEH Group OSINT Revealed series. Today we're having a very important tool called idapro, which helps in a lot of investigations. The image that you're seeing on your screen is the screenshot of the idapro desktop. So what it is? The source code of the software isn't always available. A disassembler like idapro translates machine executable code into readable assembly language source code, enabling research specialists to analyze programs that are suspected to contain malware or spyware. Pricing. idapro pricing starts at $365 per user per year. There is a free version too. idapro offers a free trial as well. Use case of idapro. An incident response team loads a malicious artifact found on a breached server into idapro to further analyze and understand its behavior, potential damage, and method of traversal. idapro can also be used as a debugger to aid analysts in reading and examining the hostile code. If you want a detailed video on idapro, then please write into the comment box. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.